friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Ours is a charming town, located along the beautiful Richelieu River, in Quebec's Montérégie region. Saint-Ours was officially founded in 1845, and has a rich history that goes back even further, as settlers arrived here during the French colonial era. The area is perhaps best known for the historic Saint-Ours Canal, built in 1849. This canal played a key role in trade, linking the Richelieu River to the St. Lawrence River, and connecting Montreal to New York. Boats could finally pass through the last obstacle along this important waterway, making Saint-Ours a vital location for both regional and international trade. Today, this canal is preserved as a National Historic Site, where visitors can explore its unique features, including the lock and dam system. The Saint-Ours Canal National Historic Site also offers beautiful picnic areas, lovely views of the Richelieu River, and access to cycling paths that weave through Montérégie. Whether you're here for a peaceful riverside retreat or to dive into local history, Saint-Ours is full of small-town charm and natural beauty.